Acting President Chiwenga on Friday delivered a pointed message against corruption and self-enrichment, taking aim at briefcase business and so-called entrepreneurs, popularly known as Zvigananda, whom he accused of exploiting public resources while ordinary Zimbabweans struggle to survive. Salabina Mashukubdani Kwachinzi General Chiwenga roasts Zvigananda during burial of national hero. That was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda pangwa inoi mu ZVAITWA vanoburanyira chiti. Addressing mourners at the burial of National Hero Brigadier General retired Matthias Tsirangarawa on 2 January 2026, Chiwenga said the ideals of the liberation struggle were being betrayed by those who use political connections to accumulate wealth. He told the gathering that the fight for independence was never about enriching a selected few, but about creating a just society where all citizens benefit from the country's resources and opportunities. In quotes, what legacy are we creating? Chiwenga asked. Is it one defined by sacrifice, patriotism, and national purpose, or one characterized by plunder? He warned that allowing corruption and greed to flourish undermines the very foundation upon which Zimbabwe was built. Ladies and gentlemen, the liberation struggle was not waged so that a few could prosper while the majority languish in poverty, he said. It was fought so that every Zimbabwean could live with dignity and be economically empowered. Chiwenga stressed that honoring fallen heroes should go beyond ceremonial speeches, calling instead for action rooted in integrity and accountability. Our responsibility is not only to remember them, he said, it is to implement their vision through ethical leadership, clean governance, unity of purpose, and genuine economic transformation. He added that Brigadier Nkarawa had long aspired to see stability, prosperity, and national cohesion take root in Zimbabwe, not as distant ideas, but as everyday realities for all citizens. Looking ahead, Chiwenga linked Zimbabwe's development goals to moral conduct and collective discipline. Thomas Wanto vipi kosa no Chiwenga anouya panguva ine achirosta Zvigananda. Pina comment section medu zofungiwa aim at kudipa msoro pe speech. Subscribe or like, chatomba bell icon.